Art reflects the time that we're in, and there are some big challenges ahead. In the last few years, the numbers of climate science has been overwhelming. So I think now we need to collaborate as culture makers with scientists to bring those two worlds together. Art can turn these big abstract data into something small and relatable, and in doing so, it can help us imagine the bigger picture again. We Harvest Wind is an installation that puts the power of renewable energies right in your hands. So by pressing the fans, you can actually charge that wind-powered world and you can bring it alive, showing that we get a glimpse of what this future can be, where we're powered by sun energy, where we're powered by wind energy, and that's a shift that we have to make. What I do as an artist is I work together with scientists and basically turn their facts into feelings. I guess when you're creating work that talks about the impact on the world, you have to make work that doesn't impact the world too much. Together with Polestar, we developed a composite between the flux and PLA, which is basically a biopolymer that is biodegradable and made out of corn. And the combination of those two created a really organic feel to the work, but it has a structural value. And the combination of that is something that we applied in the artwork, and now they might apply it in the car itself, which is something that I really, really love.